Okay, students, now we will learn how to draw a flower in MS Paint. MS Paint means Microsoft Paint. Yesterday, I again gave a review of these tools, like what are these tools and what are these tools do. These are the tools that helps us in our drawing. Pencil tool is used to draw freehand. Eraser tool is used to erase something. Text tool is used to type the text in MS Paint. Fill with color tool is used to fill the color. Magnifier tool is used to zoom in the drawing. These are the shapes that helps us to draw something. And these are the line size, like which line size we will select when we draw something or when we draw the shape. And these are the color palettes, like what are the colors we want to choose. Okay. Now we will learn how to draw flower. What we will learn? How to draw a flower. Okay. For this, I will select this shape. I can rotate the shape of the drawing. Whatever shape I want, I can rotate. Right click on the shape, and then there is the option rotate, and then there is different option, like you want to rotate right 90-degree, you want to rotate left 90-degree, you want to rotate 180-degree, flip vertical and flip horizontal. So I will select this, and I will paste it here. Then I will select this fill with color tool, and I will select this red color, and here I will fill this color like this. Got it? Then I will select another shape like this shape. Like this. I will select again this color and this brown color. Fill this with brown color. Then I will select this circle. And then I will fill yellow color in the circle. Okay. Then what left? The leaves. For drawing the leaves, I will select the curved line. Like this. Got it? And then I will select pencil tool to draw freehand drawing like this between the leaves lines. You can draw like this. Got it? Till here, any confusion? Again, we will draw another leaf. Like this. And in this flower, we will fill green color. And after filling the color, we can make leaf like this, lines like this. Any type of design you can make. If you want to draw the flower with your own choice, then you can draw. And if you want to draw different flower with different shapes, different images, then you can draw. It's up to you. It's a sample, just for the sake of practice. Got it? Okay, beta, this is your practice for today. Now, homework I have given you that you write in your diaries to practice or to make a flower at home in MS Paint. Thank you so much. This is for today.